This is America. Don't catch you slipping now. Don't catch you slipping now. Look what I'm whipping now. This is America. Don't catch you slipping now.
Okay guys, so I got so excited when I ordered this. This is the Bella Nuria collection. I don't even know if I pronounced it right, but this is my first time using this palette and I've been waiting so long to use it. You guys, look at this. Amazing. Like, there's so much stuff you can play with this, and honestly, look at the glitters. This is amazing. I don't know if you can see the inner corner of my eye. I applied this one. Let me go ahead and zoom you guys in. Okay, before anything, I didn't even like say hello. I'm just like right off the bat super excited because like I just want to create more looks for this, and you guys have no idea how excited I am. So here, let me zoom you guys in real quick. Like a cut crease and then an eyeliner, but it's an ombre look. I don't know if you guys can tell. Look at that inner corner of the eye. It's so pretty. Look how beautiful each shade is. And then these glitters, my dumbass decided to go ahead and press it really hard, and it's kind of like a gel. But oh my god, look at that. I barely even touched it, and look how much it is. Like, it's so pretty. It's just like, I don't know, it applies very pretty like on it. It's not like very pigmented, it's just like pretty glitter. I don't know. Oh, you can't really, oh there it is, like you can kind of see it, but it's like what I have on the inner corner of my eye. I'm just gonna do a quick tutorial on how I did this cut crease, eyeliner, ombre, whatever. So let's get started. First, I'm gonna start off by priming my lid. I'm gonna be using the LA Girl concealer. And this is in the shade Light Ivory. Now that I have my base down, I'm not going to use anything to set it. I'm going to be picking up this color red right here. I'm going to start applying it right on the crease, and I'm just going to be patting it. Then I'm going to be getting this pink color right here, and with the fluffy crease brush, I'm going to go ahead and apply it above the crease. Back with this brush, with picking up no red at all, I'm just going to go ahead and apply it on the crease again with whatever product I have on the brush, just to darken it up very lightly. Yeah. And then back with the fluffy crease brush, I'm going to go ahead and just keep blending very lightly again. I'm going to be using the LA Girl concealer to cut the crease. Now that I cut the crease, I'm going to go ahead and apply red in the inner part, then pink, yellow in the middle, then back to pink, and then red on the outer.
Nightmare, highlight, sleeping, night night, flashes, spotlight, pull up, nice guy, peace, beast,
Now that we did the cut crease, I'm going to use concealer again, and to make the eyeliner.
Strike me, indictment, swipe it, drop it.
The concealer, I'm going to go ahead and go reverse. So I'm going to apply pink on top of the red. Then red. Then on the lower lash line, I'm just going to go ahead and start applying, well, this one's yellow, and I just put pink. Whatever. Now I'm going to apply yellow. I'm going to add some mascara. So meanwhile, my lash glue is drying up. I will be applying highlighter. My brow bone. And then the final thing, you guys, which is my favorite, is getting that silver glitter. I'm just going to go ahead and get it with my ringman finger. Look. Oh my gosh. Look at this. I want to drop that palette. Ooh! Look on. You see it? I don't know if you can see. It's chunky, but I love it. I love the texture of it because it just kind of like gives that little like 3D dimension to my eyes right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it. This is gonna be like one time, and look at that. It's so pretty. So I'm just gonna keep like dabbing into it. That's it. That's it, you guys. Oh my god, I'm gonna be dropping everything. I can't do makeup here in the living room because it's just not the way. I don't have it, but this is the best lighting I have right now at home. I feel like this one's a lot more detailed. Like I did the cut crease and the eyeliner. It's been very popular lately. And then look at this one. I just feel like it's not precise as how I wanted it. I'm not sponsored with this company or anything. This palette is amazing. It honestly reminds me of like the Morphe, like the 35B palette or whatever it is. That colorful palette that's always running out, and they're always sold out every single time you go online. This one's a Bahama Mama from the Bella Nuria collection, and I think it's just so amazing. The pigment, the blending, everything plus glitter on top of it, and look how amazing the glitter looks. I love the 3D texture of it. It's just like perfect, right on point. Like I love it. I want some more. I want to do more colors. I'm excited. I am motivated to do more. But the lashes I'm using is Lash Dreams in the style Angelique. You guys can use my code Darla15 all capital to save some money. And yeah, give me a thumbs up if you guys thought this tutorial was good. Subscribe down below if you guys haven't. Okay guys, so I forgot to mention that I'm doing a giveaway, and if you guys want to join, it will be in my Instagram post. The winner will be announced June 11th, and I will go ahead and put the information to the Instagram link down the description box if you guys want to join. And if you guys do, good luck.